Welcome. In this video I am going to show you how you can access MX Player outside of India no matter where you are situated right now. So let's get started. Here you can see that I am facing an error. Oops, we are currently not available in your region. So this error I am facing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna connect a VPN, of course, which has selected the country India. So this was the old trick. We can access the MX Player before by doing this, but now we are forbidden from access MX Player with this way even too. So now what we need a more powerful VPN, just like Surfshark. Here you can install the Surfshark, but unfortunately you cannot access the Surfshark from every region too. So I have given the link in the description to download the Surfshark. Okay, so after downloading the Surfshark, you just have to launch it. Simply launch it. Wait a little bit, it will take a while in starting. And after that, here you need to search India in the search bar, and I'm connecting India virtual location. So now VPN is connected successfully. Now I'm gonna reload this page, and here you can see MX Player is working now. So all you need is a good VPN. There are more good VPNs, which are NordVPN, PureVPN, etc. But the main thing is they are paid. Okay, Surfshark is paid too. So now you have to invest a little bit to stream MX Player outside of the India. So let me start a video so you can verify that things are working fine. And here we can see the video is running. It's mean everything is fine, and you can access MX Player with this method 100%.